Welcome to GlobalHUB, a central resource for students, educators, and practitioners in the field of global engineering. I'm going to guide you through the site so you can fully understand how to get the most out of what it offers. Let's start by browsing the home page. On the upper right, you'll see a search box and the buttons to log in and register. You don't need to register or log in to use many of the features of GlobalHUB, so I'll continue on for now and come back to registration in a little while. The world map on the home page is clickable. By choosing a country, you can find useful information about that country, such as its culture, its history, and its major educational institutions. Such information is useful to those confronting the diversity of today's engineering field. Under the logo, you will find the menu bar, which allows you to navigate to all of the features of GlobalHUB. From these links, you will be able to view upcoming events, find valuable resources, connect with others, and get help. We'll revisit some of the features in this menu bar shortly. Continuing to the middle of the home page, you'll find featured stories, site highlights, and a list of the newest postings to the site. This is a good place to go when first exploring GlobalHUB and a place to check back for new information as a regular user. At the bottom left is the events calendar. Click on a date or a featured event to find out more about it. Registered users will also be able to add events to the calendar. There are several ways to find information, and one of them is to look at the appropriate resource category on the menu bar. For example, if you are looking for an online presentation, choose that type and you can find out what is available. An engineer who will be working with someone in Japan might be interested in viewing this presentation. Alternatively, you can always use the search bar to find information, such as this presentation. Notice that search groups results into categories by the type of resource to make it easier to find what you're looking for. For example, topics pages are a good place to start if you are not sure where to find something. These pages bring together related items. Another way of finding information is through tags. A tag marks content with a subject, keyword, or category. You can find resources and people of interest to you by clicking or searching on a tag. When someone adds information to the site, they are asked to tag that information with keywords so that others can easily find it. Click on a tag to find all information about that topic. Resources may include multiple tags. Some of the features of the site require you to be a registered member. When you register, you have the opportunity to access downloadable resources, create a personal profile, and even rate resources. In addition, you can offer your expertise and experiences through contributing content and joining in groups and discussion boards. Registration is very simple and requires only your email and name. If you look in the upper right-hand corner of the site, you will see two buttons, Login and Register. Click on the Register button and follow the steps. Once done, you will receive a confirmation email and then be able to log in with the username and password you just created. After you have registered, you can customize your profile. Once you log in, you will see a My Account button where the Register button was. Click on it to see your profile information. If you want to add to or change your profile, just click on the Edit This Profile button above where your picture is. Each part of your profile can be secured to a privacy level you are comfortable with. Groups are a way to collaborate and stay connected with others who share an interest or a profession. While still in your profile, click on the Group tab and you will be able to see the groups that you belong to. If you want to join other groups, click on the Show All Groups link. Here you can view existing groups and ask to join them. Groups can have wiki pages, discussion forums, and own resources such as files and videos. Any of these items can be private to group members or be made public for everyone to see. If you don't find a group that matches your interests, you can create your own. Go back to the Groups tab and instead of clicking on Show All Groups, click Create New User Group. As a registered GlobalHUB user, You can enrich the community by creating and rating content.
Add other users.
To add content, choose Contribute from the menu bar and locate the type of contribution you want to make from the list. You'll be taken to a page where you can choose to start a contribution. Choose a category for your content and follow the prompts to fill in required information. You can add as much additional information as you want to. Once you have registered, you can also rate content that has been posted by others. For example, after reading about engineering in Japan, I can indicate how helpful this was to me. If you encounter a problem with the site, you can choose Help from the menu bar. The Trouble Report form appears above and allows you to submit reports to the site's administrators. As the form reminds you, there is also a support center that has answers to many typical how-to questions. It can also be accessed from the menu bar. Items in the knowledge base will also appear if you search from the search bar. For example, if you need help formatting a wiki page, you could access it this way. I hope you now have a better understanding of GlobalHUB. We encourage you to use the site, make a profile, and get involved. The best way to stay connected with the global engineering community is to stay connected with GlobalHUB.